For many years we've had a couple of seagulls nesting on the roof of our house. There is one, and there is the other. They are quite friendly and every day ask for food, bread with butter, but they have a habit of yelling out when they get food, so a lot of seagulls from nearby comes also. So now let's see if we can keep quiet. And here at once they start. And others come. And then they chase them away. Let's see if this one on the roof wants. Come, come, come. Nope. Let's see if I throw the whole sandwich. Let's see. Unusually quiet. I've been giving them a little bit before, so maybe they're full. Anyways, it's a beautiful evening. Just a couple now. You see, they chase away intruders from their territory. Just like the Russians.